This is how to assemble the GCG 3452. First, start with the frame face down. We're going to install the rear axle. Slide the rear axle over the post. Put on the washers and tighten the nuts. Next, we're going to install the front axle. First, slide on the plastic plate, followed by the front axle and washer, and tighten the nut down. Make sure you don't over-tighten the nut, as you want the front axle to pivot from side to side. Next, we're going to bolt the yoke to the front axle. Slide the 2 bolts through, followed by the washer, and tighten the nuts down. Now you're ready for the tires. Slide each tire on, followed by the washer and the linchpin. Now we're ready to attach the handle to the yoke. Put on a washer. Tighten the nut, but make sure you don't over-tighten it, as you want the handle to pivot up and down. Now we're ready to mount the sides. Slide the sides in the slots on the frame. Lift them up and connect them together. The final step is the handle grip. Slide the handle on the handle arm, followed by the pin and the linchpin.